Hi again. This is another in a series of videos brought to you by San Diego Defenders to try and help you answer questions and deal with issues that may come up if you're arrested. The topic of today's video is what not to say to a cop. The reality of things is there are some good cops and there are some bad cops, and you don't know who you're going to meet. Just being out in public, even if you're not doing anything wrong, you may come into contact with a police officer. And it's always a good idea to know what not to say to a police officer. First of all, don't make jokes about them going to the donut shop or anything like that. Again, there are good cops and there are bad cops. There are cops that waste time and there are cops that don't. If you run into a cop who wastes time at the donut shop, they're going to resent the fact that you're bringing that up. If you run into a good cop who doesn't waste a lot of time at the donut shop, they're going to resent the fact that you're suggesting they are. And you don't want to make the cop an enemy just at the outset of things. Furthermore, the reality is today, more officers are at the Starbucks or getting a bagel with cream cheese than wasting time at a donut shop. Second thing, don't challenge a police officer's manhood or question their sexuality. In today's society, other than athletes and Republicans, there is no group more homophobic than police officers. If you run into a police officer who's particularly upset by things like this, you could be in for a beatdown, and you can meet his big stick, and I mean his nightstick. Third, don't offer sex or favors like that or dates to try and get out of a ticket. Especially here in San Diego County, you might just be taken up on it, and the next thing you know, you're in a 7-Eleven bathroom handing over your underwear to a police officer who might not even let you out of the ticket. And lastly, don't make references to pigs, bacon patrol, don't say suey, don't suggest anything about referring to police officers as pigs. Again, there are mostly good cops out there, and it's unfair to them to relate them to swine that roll around in their own filth. And there are also bad cops out there, but it's unfair to pigs to associate them with bad cops. We hope this video has been useful to you, and the next time you're in contact with a police officer, we hope it helps. Thanks very much.